Hey there YouTube, Franshopper here. It is Saturday, September the 19th, and it's that time of the month again. Just in time for Inktober. Let's take a look. Alrighty, so if you've been watching these since I started with these 2 months ago, you know what this is. This is Volume 3 of Maido in a Box. And this is the Calligraphy, wow, I finally said that in one take, themed box. Let's take a look at what we have for the month of September. Alright, we have my shipping inside there. Alright, so I'm going to have to actually crack this open, it looks like, to take a look at things. So let's rip that foam there. Here are our free goodies for the month. We'll take a greater detailed look at that in a moment. Trying to find the informational card for this one. I don't think there is one. Alright, well, let me open everything up and we'll take a look at what we have for this month. Alright, so this is going to be an interesting one to do because, as I said, I don't see an info card with what everything is. This is calligraphy themed, and I don't know a thing about that. So let's start with the extras here on the left-hand side. Here's a cool little sticker that kind of breaks down what a nib looks like on a fountain pen or a calligraphy pen. Looks like this is actually a sticker. Cool. We have a Tombow art. Looks like this is just a green marker, brush end, and kind of more fine nib there. We have this month's free ink. That is a very dark ink, perfect for calligraphy probably. Nice little wood pencil sharpener. And we have a couple practice sheets for doing calligraphy. That look like that. I am going to take a moment to actually familiarize myself with what everything is on that side because that was in the box, so that I don't come off as a complete idiot. So we'll be right back after I've had a better look at that. Okay, so I think I have everything figured out. Let's start simple. Sketchbook, nice and thick, good quality paper. We have an Copic Marker that I believe is a calligraphy marker. You shake it, you write it, that's what it is. And then we have a Copic Marker. From what I hear, these are usually relatively expensive, which of course the camera doesn't want to focus on. Well, you get the idea. We have a Kneadable Eraser. This feels like clay. It smells like clay. It actually smells terrible. We have an ink bottle that has shellac in it, so absolutely wash anything that comes into contact with this. We have some, what I'm going to assume are blending pencils. This is a matte one, this says pearl, so I think it's different graphite. And then we have a pen with nibs and case. There you have it, Volume 3 of Maido in a Box. I lied, that's not quite it, because I did want to mention something important. There is a limited edition box coming out specifically for Inktober. It's an art box. It is available now. If you're interested, go to Kinokuniya's website. They have an image of some of the stuff that will be in that box. I probably won't get it because I'm not very good at art. So if you want to see what's in that box, you will have to look elsewhere. So sorry if you were looking forward to that. That is it.